be making keto golden milk latte, also known as turmeric milk. This recipe is not only delicious and super easy to make, but it's also a really healthy one that comes with a lot of benefits. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. For today's recipe, we're gonna need almond milk. This is the almond milk I showed you guys how to make in the last video. If you haven't watched it, I will leave the link down below. 5 drops of liquid stevia or 1 package of stevia, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. I'm gonna start by pouring my almond milk, and then we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, vanilla and all our spices. I'm gonna be using my liquid stevia, so I'm gonna add my 5 drops. And simply with a fork, we mix it all together. If you have a frother, you can use it to mix all the ingredients even better, but since I don't have one, I'm gonna be using a fork. Once we mix all our ingredients together, we're gonna try it out to taste the sweetness and the flavor. It's perfect like that for me, but if you wanna add any more spices or sweetener, you can go ahead. Since I didn't have a frother and I couldn't foam my milk with that, I'm gonna be using my coffee machine to foam my milk. If you also don't have a coffee machine, you can just mix it a little bit more to create a little bit of a foam and warm it up in the microwave. Okay, so now I'm gonna steam my milk. So you can see that the milk is foaming and the golden color comes out more, which comes from the turmeric. Now that my milk is warm and foamy, I'm gonna transfer it into a mug and add a pinch of cinnamon. And now we add our pinch of cinnamon. So there you have it, guys, your keto golden milk or turmeric milk. The reason why I love this recipe so much is because turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and honestly, I've been taking it for a couple nights before going to bed, and it also helps you relax, and it's perfect for before going to bed, a warm, nice drink. Now let's try it out. It's so good, and it's not only good, it's so cute. It's such a beautiful drink. I love the color. It's delicious. I really hope you guys make it at home. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you also want to follow me on my keto journey, I will be linking my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.